Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox my personal favorite, which is this one. So the Lamborghini LM002, and this is by Hot Wheels from their premium series, and this is more specifically from the Fast and the Furious movie franchise. So this is an entire set actually. This is 2 out of 5. I didn't buy everything else. So this one honestly it is hard to get. So even the Plymouth, I know I never saw this one, but my friends actually asked me to if I want the Koenigsegg CCXR and Toyota GR Supra. Again, I'm not really a fan of GR Supra because I think that's this one has the BMW engine, right? So the older Supras I love it, but the recent ones, specifically this one, I'm not really a fan of it. So I didn't buy this one. I do have the GR Supra by Matchbox, by Majorette. I do have more than two or three, I guess. So I even sold one from RMZ, I guess, recently. So that is a 1 is to 24 scale. Sorry, 1 is to 43 scale if I'm not wrong. Okay, so this one is having like 5 cars. So these are 4 and this one is the 5th one. So my interest is only on this particular car, nothing, or SUV, nothing else. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. This feels pretty heavy to be honest. So I was actually looking for this LM002 for a long time. So long back when I was buying things from the scalpers and all. So I bought LM002 by Matchbox. That is the only Lamborghini I missed out so much. So I paid 800 rupees for that casting for a main line and I bought that. I still regret buying that from that guy. But I didn't even unbox it. It is because that's the only one I had, so I kept it inside. So this time, since I saw two of this, I bought both of it. Okay, so here is the card art. The card art looks really awesome on this one. It looks so majestic and feels like it has so much muscle. Okay, I bought this for MRP, which is 549. So let me just put this aside. Okay, let's talk about the casting. Man, that is huge. Okay, it has headlight details here. It is painted on, and you can see the Lamborghini logo here. At least this time it is a bit clear. It is not totally messed up. So it has the tail light details also. Just good. So it has this spare wheel here that is just plastic. This is not an exactly a rubber one. Okay, this is a full metal casting. So metal body, metal chassis. Man, that looks really nice. The chassis actually has some good amount of detailing here. I hope you guys can see it more clearly than me. Okay, so the wheels are actually the tires are rubber. So this specific set of rim goes really well with this car, and it has rear view mirror as well. That is really awesome. It has hood detailing here. That is also really nice. And this part here, the bed here, this piece here. Okay, yeah. So this piece here, that is plastic, and the interior is also plastic. I think this one connects with the interior if I'm not wrong. So the interior actually has some good amount of detailing, but the windows are tinted in black, so I'm not sure how well you guys can also see it. So personally I'm not able to see it clearly. I'm having headache right now looking through this privacy protector. Okay, so the exhaust detail also looks really great, and this is a this is the reason I actually bought two, because it's a full metal casting. It is not going to, the only problem with premiums always, because the rubber ties, rubber tends to melt over time, right? So that's the only worry I'm having. So I don't customize any of my cars or something like that. So, but so anyway, I'm just planning to keep this here somewhere. I need to see if I can swap something out in this list, the one which I'm having here, or I do have literally two of everything, whatever I'm keeping here in the Lamborghini section, except for the Centenario. So that particular Centenario with the spoiler, that is the Matchbox version, which has openable part. I don't have that one too. So I need to buy one more if I am able to. So, but I am planning to keep it somewhere here. So let's see how that is going to work out. Okay, so this is very heavy. Honestly, if I throw this at someone's head, they will die. So it is, it is really that heavy. I'm expecting somewhere around 70 grams. Let's see. Yeah, 68 grams. See, not bad. I'm really very close. Okay, since it has movable wheels, now let's do a roll test. It is heavy, so I'm hoping it to roll really well. It doesn't, but at least it rolls. Compared to that mainline Jaguar, it rolls really well. Even with the rubber tire, even with, it has this, the threading as well. It is a bit unique, I don't know if every other Hot Wheel has the similar threading, but this one looks really cool. But it rolls really well, so I'm happy about it. At least it reaches, it crosses the halfway mark, so I'm happy with it. So anyway, I'm not going to play with it. I'm just going to keep it here inside or in my car. So I do have that, that Huracan inside my car, which pasted. I will be doing a review on my own car. I will show you guys that. So okay, let's rate this casting. Okay, since it's a premium, it actually has all the details, which is really great. I don't see any issue with it. Even it has a good amount of chassis detailing here also. So so the black paint, which I personally don't like every time, because see, you can see the fingerprint very easily. It's a glossy black. If it is a matte black, that would have been see, this piece is a matte black here, so that looks really cool. If they went with matte black for the whole casting, that would have made this casting very awesome. But I don't have any issues with it. It has a little bit of paint bubbling here, but yours might not have, so that is not a common issue. It's only specific to mine. So you don't need to worry about it. Stands also looks really great. So solid 10 out of 10 from my end. Not because I like Lamborghini, but it has all the details. And it even rolls better than even some of the main lanes which we unboxed recently. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.